Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure you control both the device and the Apple ID you want to use. Sign into the iPhone with the new Apple ID if possible. Once done, go to Settings and open Bluetooth, then tap the info icon for your AirPods Pro. Choose Forget this device to unpair them from the phone. This removes the automatic pairing and readies the AirPods for a reset. Doing this first prevents the old account from reattaching during the reset. Next, you'll reset the AirPods Pro to clear the previous Apple ID link. Put both buds in the case, close the lid for 30 seconds, then open it. Press and hold the setup button on the case for about 15 seconds until the status light flashes amber then white. This completes the hardware reset. Now bring the case close to the iPhone that's signed into the new Apple ID and follow the on-screen pairing prompts to register them to your account. Finish by confirming the AirPods appear under your Apple ID. Open Settings, tap your name, then Find My and verify the device is listed. Rename the AirPods in Bluetooth settings and test Playback plus Siri to ensure everything uses the new account. If the AirPods still show as owned by another Apple ID, you'll need that owner to remove them from their iCloud devices list or sign into iCloud. Calm and remove the device yourself. Otherwise, contact Apple support for account release help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.